Requesting a check through Tribepad couldn't be easier. There are two ways to request a background check through Zinc's Tribepad integration. The first way is by selecting the candidate here, selecting Options, Invite to Integration, and then from the drop-down, select the package you want the candidate to receive. And then from here, all you need to do is press Send. The second option is by adding a background check trigger to a specific stage, and then very simply dragging and dropping the candidate into that stage. Both of these options will send a text and an email to the candidate to start their background checking journey through Zinc. Once the checks are completed, they will return to Tribepad so you can access the results.